Good morning. It's Monday. All right. I gotta get this. I got most of my stuff ready to go. Actually, I'm on the wrong chart. Let me get on this one. There we go. And I need to highlight this. I did it on range, but I didn't do it here. We still have this gap to fill. So we'll see about that. But we're in the middle of the chop zone. So I don't... Let me go live on TikTok. I don't need to do anything there. Good morning, good morning. It's been 10
orders submitted
full days since I've been live on YouTube, which is insane because I went away for a week, but my last stream was on the 4th and today's the 14th, which is nuts. Good morning, Rich. And I remembered to put my oops. I gotta get on TikTok. All right. I think I want to do the crazy on here, I think. So I'm going to set that up. Good morning, good morning, good morning. In the meantime, we can break down this. Hey. Hi, Ramez. How are you? Hey, Justin. Hey, Mark. Good morning. All right. So you're looking at the 20-minute chart. This is the chop zone for today. This brown box up here is the, what is it called? Is the gap fill? Brain fart early in the morning. Anyway, all right, let me set up. I'm going to set up the crazy. Someone the other day was like, I saw you running and it was like really crazy. I'm like, oh yeah, that's the crazy. I think I did. I saved it here. Okay, perfect. All right. Crazy. That's good. I'm going to turn that on. All right, so we have a lot of things running. NQ is currently in a short on Scalper. We have range, both. This is NQ. It was 1 for 1 on Friday. You can see that right here. This is the one that's 88% on the entire year. And then this is ES range. This was 1 for 1 on Friday as well. You can see that right here. The market's going to open in 13 minutes, so we still have some time. Weird. Why does this concurrent viewers say 0? I'm sure that's wrong. Yeah, it says 10 here. That's really weird. I don't know. Yeah, make sure you hit that like button, guys, please. Or tap the screen if you're on TikTok. So let me pull up the NQ short. Oh, here it is. So I can show you guys. Oh, we're starting to move a little bit now. Whoa, there we go. There we go. Well, I saw the charts in the background moving, and so then I was like, oh, we must be moving down. Oh, I have one right here. Well, I'll just get rid of this one. So if this goes, this one doesn't move the stop loss until it's green a good amount. So we'll see if that happens here. Welcome, welcome. I don't know. It doesn't allow me. It doesn't allow me to filter by just comments. This is so weird because interact, lightning Q&A. What's this? Yes, I'm running the bot. This is a fully automated trade right here. I should probably move this over. Everything seems a little funky today. Like YouTube's a little funky. TikTok's a little funky. This is NinjaTrader. Let me put my welcome message up here, my streaming message, so you guys can see this. If you want more info, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. So we're short in NQ right now. That's the only trade so far. RTY did take a trade a little while ago. It was in a short as well, but it was stopped out for like $55. Thanks for the rose. I appreciate it. I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. I was out all last week because I was on vacation, but I am back now. So, yeah. It's a subscription. You could purchase it if, like, we discussed the numbers, but it wouldn't be cheap. The subscription, it's $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. It really makes me sad that I can't filter by comments anymore. If you appreciate the content in the stream, please tap the screen. I'm really trying to find if they, like, put it somewhere else. Oh, Miguel, you're going to get it. Don't worry. Don't you worry. You got to tap the screen first, Miguel. All right, so we're green $150 on this NQ short. Remember, this is just futures. I don't do crypto, don't do options, I don't do stocks. Like, tap, tap, tap. Like a whole bunch of taps, Miguel. A whole bunch. You tap, then I tap. All right, it's 9:20. We still have 10 minutes till the market opens. This is where we had the RTY before. Where's my... Oh, there it is. I was like, where's my YM? RTY, YM, ES is over there. Green 160 on this short. Again, I set this up at night and then it does everything for me. I don't have to be sitting here for this trade to happen. I don't have to be, you know, watching it. This is going to happen regardless if I'm at my computer or not. It is compatible with a few brokers, but you still have to use the NinjaTrader platform to use the auto trading system. But you can use interactive brokers. You can use a funded program, so like Algorithmic. You can use NinjaTrader as your broker. So we're green $230 here. I want to compare this to where the chop zone is. Because the chop zone... Oh, nice. We're getting kind of towards the bottom of the chop zone, so this is going to be helpful too. If we can exit the chop zone, especially under 11,755, this short is just going to take off. Maybe to target 705. If we can break 755, then we're looking for 705. That's my plan. My man. Nope, Sunder, I don't post time frames. That is part of the service. When you join the group, you get access to my setting spreadsheet, which has the time frames, the settings, the chart, the product that you're going to use for that setup. So that's all in the group. And I do have the crazy setup. You see that 305? What level was that? 60. 60 has hold. Oh, John. Oh, John. You are just so silly. It's not a pair. This is NQ. You can use it on forex, but that's not... Most people just use it on futures. Settings. Comment settings, moderators. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not sure. I'm really trying to find how to filter by comments again. I don't know why they took that away. Yes, these are futures. So you have to pay for the NinjaTrader platform, either the lease or the lifetime. So NinjaTrader has 3 levels. It has a free level, but you cannot use an auto trading system with that. You also can't use a DOM or the chart trader. So you have to have the lease, which is $70 a month, or you can pay a one-time lifetime fee, which is $1,000, and then I get you a $100 like refund off of that after you sign it up. So the minimum deposit, I used to say $2,000, but now I'm really kind of more around $3,000. So the minimum in your account should be $3,000. Good morning. Waiting for Ninja to get back to me with my account. So weird. Okay, yeah, I would call them. Like, you should call them this morning. Yes, this is the, well, again, because Florida, this doesn't start until the morning. So it doesn't, I turned it on last night, but it doesn't matter. Regardless, it wouldn't have had any trades overnight because that's not what the settings within the algorithm say to do. Thanks, Emmett. I appreciate it. Yes, I have 2 people in the group that are from Africa. I think they're in South Africa. I don't know. As long as your broker, you have a broker that can work with NinjaTrader, or NinjaTrader can be your broker, then you're good to go. I think they say the biggest thing is just like wiring money into your account or transferring it into your account. I think that seems to be the biggest like hiccup with some countries, especially India. I know they have an issue with that. So yeah. Hi. Oh, Brandon. Brandon, we were just chatting. Yep, Calcium, would love to see you in the group. So we're in this short. This is the trail stop right here, this thin line, if you can see that. The market's going to open in 5 minutes, so we'll see if we can break that 60 level, 11,760. And then if we can break 11,755, we can easily drop to 11,705. So that's kind of what I'm looking for here. The bottom of the chop zone is 57. So honestly, between 55 and 60, that's what we have to get through. So if you want to join, just email me and I'll get you more information so you can get set up. You don't want to join until you actually have an account with NinjaTrader and you've funded it and you're ready to go, because there's no point in having it if you can't use the algorithm. So yeah, it takes shorts and longs. It just depends what's happening within the market. But yes. What do you mean? There's a difference in futures compared to what? There's a huge difference if you're comparing it to like stocks or options, but they're not as different if you compare it to forex. Hi, Roland. How are you? I got so many people. Well, we'll see what happens when the market opens, but there were so many people on the live on Friday. It was like 250, but I had to go because I was doing stuff with the family. There's not a Discord. I have Slack, but that's part of the group. So yeah, Jenny, is probably a good rough estimate, but then you don't ever pay NinjaTrader again. And if you do the lifetime on NinjaTrader, you get the lowest fees and commissions that they have. Nice. I don't know. Can you change to difference? Stocks are just this. I don't know what you're asking. So you can do stocks, you can do forex, but most of us in the group are just doing futures. Also, if you wanted to do stocks on the algorithm, you would have to have a link to TD Ameritrade. You cannot do stocks within NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is a futures broker, so they specialize in futures. They also, you can get some forex data from them and some crypto data, but it's mostly just futures. So all right, we're getting a nice turnaround here. We're back down at 63. Let's see if we can break 60. What is your opinion on it? No, I have no opinion. I don't know anything about crypto, and I don't care to talk about crypto. Hi, Carter. Nice job, Jesse. Now, once you get approved, then you would fund your account with NinjaTrader. We're green 305 on this short. We got to break this 60 level and then break 55. Well, 57 and then 55. Yeah, but it's not recommended, Racy. Again, you're kind of all over the place. The main focus is futures. We trade futures, futures. I'm in the U.S. on the East Coast. Futures is the focus. All right, $400 on this short now, guys. This is one contract. One contract, $400. A lot of people in my group, when they trade NQ, they'll trade 2 or 3 contracts. So this could easily be $800, $1,200 at this point. It's insane. I have the crazy on, but that doesn't start till after the market opens. So it's 928. We went all the way down to 53, 52. I told you 55 would be a hard area, right? So let's see. And I hate saying right, so please correct me when I say that. If we can go back down, break 57 again, 60, 57, and then 55. I really like the short down to 05. Yeah, the difference between futures and stocks. Oh, I know, Benny. I need to put the bingo up. Give me a minute. The difference between futures and stocks. Futures, they're open 23 hours a day, where stocks is only like 8 hours a day. Futures, you get a discount with your government taxes. So instead of paying all of your gains on a short-term rate, when you trade futures, you get a nice kind of benefit there with the long-term rate instead of all short-term rate. Futures, you can trade futures as much as you want with no PDT rules, so you don't have to have $25,000 in your account. You can have as little as $400 in your account and trade as much as you want in the futures market.
Order submitted.
All right, market's open. Let's see what happens here on this short. All right, we're down to 59. If we can break 57 and 55, we're going to 05. Let's see it happen. Come on. It's hanging around 60. Other reasons why I like futures, they're super liquid, so you don't have to like find a stock each day that's liquid, where you could just trade the same product every single day because most of them are super liquid. The NASDAQ, the Dow, the S&P 500. Come on, let's break 60. And then, you know, gold, oil, silver, natural gas. There's so many products on the futures market. There we go. We broke 60. Let's see if we can break 57 and then 55. I'm not really sure why this on YouTube is showing it correctly.
Order canceled.
All right, so got taken out of NQ, made $25. It is what it is. Not a big deal. Obviously, you could have exited earlier if you wanted to, but I let the algo do itself.
Failed.
That's essentially the whole point of the algorithm. YM is in a long. I can show you guys that. Not sure if this is going to hold, but I guess we'll see. YM's kind of been all over the place, so I put it in sim last week because it was kind of, until it shows that it wants to behave better, I'm just going to keep it in sim, honestly.
Order submitted.
All right, so this YM long is green, $200. Guys, we weren't stopped.
Order canceled.
Jen, welcome back. We're in this YM long for $300. Anything else happening right now? No, this is the only trade.
Order submitted.
Is that crazy? Crazy's in a long too.
Order filled.
Oh, I got stopped there. I'll show you guys this. Well, this YM1's pretty good for now. What's the catch with Bold Bot? Oh, there's no catch. Nice job, Jamie. Jamie's in my group. Jen's in my group. There's a whole bunch of people in this chat that are in my group. So, my YouTube is Bold Bot. 2 words. Bold Bot. You can go back and watch all of my live streams. I've been streaming for the past 2 years, essentially.
Order submitted.
Where's, so I trade the NASDAQ, gold, oil, the S&P 500, the Dow, the Russell. So we're in this long. This is YM right here for $270. I also have the crazy over here running, but it's for like $45. Yeah.
Order canceled.
Crazy's not really doing anything exciting. I might just close it. We'll just keep an eye on YM. All right, John. John. Who else? Someone else recently. Yeah, you can't do that. People, that's the biggest reason why people lose is because they're greedy or they're rushing or they keep touching stuff that they shouldn't be touching. Like, set it up. And, like, the whole point of having a system trade for you is so you can go live your life and not be sitting at the computer just staring. But people inherently have control issues and they cannot let themselves break away and let the thing that they're paying for actually trade for them. So that seems to be the biggest issue with people that I notice, new people. Once you start building confidence with it, then it's easy to just be like, oh, I'm just going to sleep through it, or I'm just going to whatever, go to the gym or go have some lunch or whatever. So the algorithm, obviously I'm not going to break down how, like, what it uses to take the trades, but the idea is it gets you in a trade like this, long, and then it moves the stop loss up, and then it will exit you when it comes back, or if it hits the trail stop. All right, this long on YM is green 390, 400. This is the only trade that's happening right now. RTY is still on the downtrend, which is crazy. Because that could be a thing. If you want more info, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. If you want to check out my YouTube, I record and I go live every single day. And you can go and watch any of my previously recorded streams. I go live on TikTok and YouTube every single day. Green 445 on this long. Yes, so when you join the group, I help you get everything set up. I have a step-by-step video. I have 2 ladies that work for me. I have an admin and then someone that is there just for kind of setup and questions. So yes, it's a very seamless process where you get everything set up. If you email me, then you watch that video and get everything set up. And then once you're ready to go, you come into, you pay for the service and I add you to the group. And then from there, I give you another step-by-step video to get set up with this. Look at this, $500 on this long of YM. And then from there, you get set up. And then if you have questions along the way, I'm around, my admin's around, my other employee Irma's around. So, yep. There's help on all fronts. Oh, there's Amber. Amber's in the group too. Both of my moderators are in my group. Like, you can read any of their comments and just see what they say. Green 510 on this YM long. Again, this is one contract. One contract. My foot's asleep. This is not forex, Glenn. It's $500 for the first 21 days as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. So then why are you on this stream, Wool? Like, that doesn't even make any sense. I would never take stock advice from a woman. Okay. And you probably have blown all of your money somehow. Okay, then bye, Glenn. Just a spam today. Still in this long, 5:30. Yeah. A lot of people would take my advice, but you know, there's always that one party pooper that wants to just act like because he's a guy, he knows more than someone who's worked in finance her whole life and who has been doing this for over 20 years. But you know, no worries. You do your thing, whatever. It doesn't even matter anymore. All right, so this is the trailing stop on YM. When it pulls back to this green line and closes below it, it will get out of this long. But until then, it will just keep letting it do its thing. I don't trade crypto, so I don't have any opinions about it. Is there unlimited spots for your algorithms, or is it limited? No, there's no limit. He was a wee man. Pretty much. So there's no indicators. Obviously, there's stuff coded, but I'm not going to talk about that on the stream, Marcus. This is the Dow. This is YM. On what number? Oh, I know. It's okay, Mo. Yes, you can. You can just close it out. Yeah, I'm not selling it. I lease it, but I'm really just, I come on to my lives every day just to show it. So it's kind of just to put information out there that people might not know about. I really love futures. So that's the biggest reason that I started going live a few years ago. Yeah, I don't know. I only trade I didn't know there was a NASDAQ 500. There's a NASDAQ 500? No. I just trade the NASDAQ 100. I have 163 current members. It's so hard to see the questions. So this is the Dow, and it's being traded automatically by my algorithm. It was as high as almost, I think, 600. But it will stop itself if it crosses under this green line. Yeah, NQ did trade. NQ took a short. It was green. This was, and we got stopped, and then it continued. Damn it. Where did it go? I said it was going to go to 05. It went to 24. So we were short in NQ here. When it ran up here, it stopped out. So it stopped out for $25 in the positive. But that sucks. The lowest we got was when we were in the trade was it? 53. Yeah, so you have to, that's why if you email me, you can get more information. But NinjaTrader, you're going to have to go onto NinjaTrader's website and apply for a futures account. And then once you get approved, you fund it. And then once it's funded, you're ready to go. You pay the $12 for the market data. And you have to pay for NinjaTrader's platform. What sites are you reading on? This is on NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader. 160, I'm going to get set up today once you show me how to set up. So John, what do you mean? So John, if you already joined, John, then you already sent a welcome message. If you haven't joined yet, then yes, once you join, yeah, no, nothing. Then once you join, John, you will be sent everything that you need. But you know the member number. So are you a student? I'm so confused. How hard is it to withdraw money? Not hard at all. You guys, we're going exactly where I said we were going. If anybody wants to fact check me, I would love if that guy was still in this live stream if I didn't block him, because he said he wouldn't take advice from a girl, right? I called the short from 11,765, and I'm telling you that we're going to go to 11,705. And watch. Watch. We're at 22. Like, I know my stuff. I know my stuff. No one can tell me otherwise. No, you can't use Thinkorswim. John, I'm not sure what's going on in this conversation. I'm really confused. Yep. There's too much going on. John, just if you're in the group, DM me.
Submitted.
If you're not in the group, just email me. We'll figure it out that way. I have to go to the dentist after this live stream, so just as a heads up, and I posted that in the group. So the most conservative algorithm that I have, or bot that I have, is 88% on the entire year. I'm really sad about this, NQ. boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's also in my bio on TikTok. My Instagram and my Twitter are exactly the same as my TikTok, which is boldbot1_. Also, as a heads up, I will never DM you on TikTok. I will never follow you on TikTok. So if someone is following you or DMing you that looks like me, it's not me, and they're trying to trick you. Guys, we're at 7:15. We are 10 points from my ultimate target. I hope someone took this manually. Who took this manually? That's an easy 60 points. $1,200 per contract. Thanks for the rose. Yeah, if you're not in the group yet, John, then you just have to email me. If you're in the group, then you could DM me. I was just very confused. It seemed like you were already in the group because you told me how many members were in the group. So that's why I was like all over the place. You guys, we were in this short. I am so sad. If you were on the stream since 9:15 when I started, I gave you this short for free. We were in at 76. It just went all the way down to, let's see, where? Oh, 06, 1 point from my ultimate target. Alex. Rich, it's in the bio. Oh, sorry. But I also just said it out loud. It's boldbotllc@gmail.com. boldbotllc@gmail.com. Carter. This is making me so sad. So sad. You guys. This was given for free at 9:15. The short, we were in at 76. 76 to 6 is 70 points. That's $1,400 per contract. Thanks, John. And I would implore any of you to go back and watch the live stream from YouTube today, because it's been recording this whole time, and to see if I said that or not, because I did, and it went exactly as I wanted it to. Right down to, it went to 06. I said 05, so I'm 1 point off, but I don't think I'm going to worry about that. Thank you, Delance. However, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Still in this YM long. It was green another $400 a minute ago, but it can't really find its way. We might get that 05. Look at this. We're at 08, 09. No, I'm just typing. We've done, oh, there we go. There's my 05. My ultimate target was hit. We've done typing classes. Andy made his $915. Nice job, Andy. Also, we dropped out of the chop zone. So this, for any of you that are new on this live stream, this is an area that I give to my group every morning by 8 a.m. So this is the chop zone. You could have easily taken the short out of the chop zone, which was 57 or 60 area. So even for that, you would have caught 50 points, which is $1,000 per contract. So this level I give to my group, and then this zone I give to my group every single day. YM is still green, $260, $230. Yeah, the chop zone. So if you weren't live, but you're in my group, you would have known to take the short under 57. If you were on my live, you probably would have been short around 75 like we were on the scalper, and then you could have kept that going. Thanks for the follows, guys. So I go live every day 9:15 to 10:30. Today I have to get off at 10:15 only because I have a dentist appointment. The long one's right here. Yeah, cross below, but it's still actually signaling up, so it's not going to exit this yet. Like, this green line hasn't turned red. It needs to physically turn red first. And as you can see, there are these arrows down here that are still saying this long is valid, so it's not going to exit the long yet. Vacation was good. This is the Dow, which is YM on the futures market. This is NQ, which is the NASDAQ. We got a perfect bounce off of my level at 04. Why would I sit on a live stream, Janish, for 23 hours? Do you think I'm like a robot or something? I'm saying I go live for 1 hour. I'm not saying my algorithm trades 23 hours a day. Like, y'all kill me. Why are you only live 9:30 to 10:30? What? Because I'm human and I want to go eat and sleep and enjoy my life and have a dentist appointment. I also have 2 student sessions today, one at 3, one at 4. I have 2 student sessions tomorrow. I'm going to a basketball game tomorrow. I have a call with my lawyer tomorrow. Like, you know, people have lives. But also, the entire reason of having an auto trading algorithm is so I can go enjoy my life. I can spend time with family. I can volunteer at school. I can, you know, hang out with grandparents, whatever it might be. I could go get a massage if I wanted to. No, my bot trades 23 hours a day. It's Judith. It's all the time. Mo said, would you please go live to wait the house? I go live for an hour and a half, typically around an hour and a half every morning, Monday through Friday. If you want to join, just follow me here or on YouTube, which is BoldBot, and you will be in the know. If not, that's okay too. I'm not everyone's cup of tea. I love massages, yes. I want a foot massage so bad. You know, there's places in the mall, like, I don't know, I don't want to say anything offensive. It's Asian, just a normal, anyway. It's like, I think like this husband and wife own it, but it's just like a storefront in the mall, and you could get, it's kind of like that reflexology, I think, for like your hands or your feet, and I've never done it, but I really want to do it. And, yeah, and I could really use a foot massage today, so. Again, Janish, I just explained this. There are arrows saying this trade is still valid. It's not going to exit until these arrows are gone and until this green line is red. Don't worry about it. It knows what it's doing. It knows what it's doing. Just relax. See, you're one of these people that come into the group and you're like, what's happening? What's happening? What's going on? What's going on? I'm so here for this. I'm so here for you who is here for this. So typically about 2 or 3, hardly. Yes, it closes itself with a trail stop. Yeah, so the only payment method I take is PayPal. Obviously, if for some reason there's like an issue with PayPal, I could do something, like we could talk about it on the side, but it's only PayPal, really. No, this is my auto trading algorithm. Tay Gaming. I'm listening to the YouTube live stream and Lauren just yelled out Alex. Nice job, George. George got the short. Andy got the short. What time is it? 9:54. I don't know what the hell up here is. New here. What's going on? This is an auto trading algorithm that's trading for me on the futures market. Hey, Twisted. What's up? How are you? Sure thing, Scrappin'. Happy. I'm glad you're here for it. Listen, I like going live. I like doing this hour a day for people that might have an interest in futures, that might not know what futures are, so I can help and explain it. I'm not here trying to push anything or sell anything. I really just like, I also do this for my members. Okay, you can see the stop loss just moved itself up, so it's a guaranteed green trade on YM here. But I just like doing this because, I don't know. I just do. I like interacting with people for an hour a day. Now, outside of that, I only do it for my members because they pay me. I don't sell my algo, but I lease it. But I can't.
Order filled.
All right, so we are out. This YM is overlapping. So we saw this one. This is the futures market. Futures. It's $500 for the first 21 days, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. We're still under the chop zone here. We went right to that target. Thanks, Carter. Yep, so I just answered that, Giovanno. It's $500 for the first 3 weeks, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. If you want, you can email me and get more information. boldbotllc@gmail.com. So you guys want to know the reason why I'm going to the dentist? I feel like I've been to the dentist so much this year. I chipped one of my teeth, my back molar, on a mint, on a Lifesavers mint. I was chewing it, and then I was like, what is this hard thing that I'm chewing? Oh, it was a piece of my tooth. So I typically recommend 3 to 5K to start. I do not trade forex. These are futures. Carter said, it's okay, I'll pay for your friendship. I'm just keeping it honest. I'm a very straightforward, honest person. I don't have time to BS. I really don't. Nope, this is the Dow. Long on the Dow. I can show you the NQ. It took a short before, which was beautiful, but we missed it. So NQ is all the way down here. It's not going to take a long anytime soon. Oh, thanks for saying. I hear that a lot, but I don't really get it. I just hit myself in the face with my sweatshirt cord. Does this work for forex? Yes, it does work for forex if you wanted to, correct. But the thing is, I would not have settings for the product that you're talking about, if that makes sense. So I have a settings spreadsheet that I give to people that join my service. It tells you the product. It tells you, so it's settings essentially that have been back tested and forward tested for years, and they work well. So I wouldn't have that for currency pairs, if that makes sense. So you would just have to, play around with it. You can use some of the settings that I have for other products, but obviously each product is different. I don't talk about crypto. So it depends, Junibrew, but yes, but anywhere from like 100 to 300 a day with an account like that. Just sent an email. Yes, learning something new sounds great. Yeah, these are the indices right here. So I have settings for all of those, Louis. I have the Dow, the Russell, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500. I have oil, I have gold. I'm working on copper and natural gas right now. Yeah, and that's fine. That's fine, general. And I don't trade stocks. These are futures, but I don't like crypto because it's super unpredictable. I don't know. It's just not my thing. I like something a little like I don't mind volatility and craziness in the market. I mind my money just somewhat disappearing. Like that's not okay with me. Like I need my money to be regulated by the government. And I know some people hate the government, but I don't. So it gives me a little bit of some type of safety blanket. I joined a little late. What's the fee? So I'm leasing. It's $500 for the first 3 weeks. Calendar days, 21 days. And then it's $1,000 every month after that. I'm not using an indicator blueprint. I don't even know how to say that. This is my auto trading algorithm. It has lines because I don't have to have the lines showing. I could have these turned off. It's just a feature of the algorithm. This is the Dow, which is also known as YM in the futures market. How many contracts do you do per day? It depends on which algorithm you're running. Alejandro, I don't talk about time frames. It's all given to you when you join the group. It works in all markets, volatile, slow. And I guess nothing really works really well in slow. So I would say slow is probably the worst, which is why I don't run a lot of things at the beginning of the night. The market opens at 6 p.m., but is the market enjoyable to trade from 6 p.m. to like 10 p.m.? Absolutely not. Yeah, Kevin, exactly. Yeah, that's fine. And so I'm not saying there's anything wrong with crypto. I'm just saying it's not for me. Yes, you can have a loss with anything. Can you have a loss with the algorithm? Yes. Can you have a loss manually trading? Yes. This is trading. You are risking your money. There are no guarantees. No, you have to start with at least $3,000 US dollars. That's the minimum. The green lines indicate that we should be in a long, and we are. Oh, look at Sheldon. Sheldon made $795. Nice job. George made $800. $700. Andy made $915. All right. So minimum to start is $3,000. You have to have that in your account. Yeah, the email is boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's right here. It's also in my bio of TikTok. So as long as you follow me, you can always go back and look at it. My website's also in my bio. Yeah. So it's 88% on the entire year of 2022. Look, we're back in the chop zone. We dropped exactly as I said we would. Yo. NQ's got to get over this 11,783 though. And then we have to get out of the chop zone. And then we can go and potentially fill this gap. But then we got a hard level here and a hard level here and a hard level here. Yes, sure, Juan. You can do that. You can stick with the lease too. You don't have to get the lifetime. Just a lot of people get the lifetime because you get more of a discount in fees and commissions. So range, which is this one, I have different algorithms, so they look different. This one is 88% on the entire year. It's super conservative. It only takes about 1 trade a day. Maximum, it can only take 2 trades per day. And then I have one for ES as well. That's what this looks like. So it depends on the strategy. Some strategies I'm actually going to risk like 2 to 1. Other strategies I'm risking like nothing compared to the profits that are made. Like Scalper has some really, really big runs. Like if we talk about this NQ trade that we got out of right before it had this huge drop, this would have easily taken you out in this area. Obviously, it went 1,400 in profit from the trade that we were in. But this is NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader if you want to use the auto trading algorithm. All right, I'm going to have to get off in about 10 minutes because why can't I see the chat? I don't know, Dale. Turn the chat on the right-hand side. All right, YM got out of that. So YM's green 120 on the day so far. See how you can see this turn to red? That person that was asking me before, it turned to red, so it exited the trade. Before, when it pulled down, this was still green, and it was still signaling the long, which was accurate because it went back up all the way to here. If you appreciate the stream and the content, please tap the screen if you're on TikTok. If you're on YouTube, please give a thumbs up. Sounds good. Excited for you. So, yep, if you want to contact me, just email me here at boldbotllc@gmail.com. boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yes. Yeah, I'm still taking new students, but right now I'm booked until the middle of December. And that's for the one-on-one. So you could start the digital mentorship now, still playing big. I know, I need to pull it up. Well, I was gone last week, so we didn't play it last week, but I definitely want to play it. You could obviously, Legend, you could start with the digital mentorship and then add the one-on-one sessions after the fact. But so the digital mentorship you could do today if you wanted to start that. And then the one-on-ones, I'm just booked until the middle of December. Do you say you have to get the mentor videos to learn to set up the algo? No. No, you don't. The mentorship and the algo are totally separate. They're totally two different things. Thanks for the rose. No, you don't need to refer me on NinjaTrader. Thank you for thinking of me, though. Yeah, 2 to 3K minimum to start. I've started to say 3K now because I feel like it's just easier. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here in a few minutes. I'll be back tomorrow. Again, I'm live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. I will never DM you. I will never follow you on TikTok. Please just be aware of that. Because I don't want you guys getting contacted by somebody that's not me and then having it be a whole confusion. You said it was the setup in the mentor videos. What? No idea what that means. Yeah, just message me in Slack. I know, but I thought at one point you said it was the setup in the mentor videos. No, Dale, I don't know what that means. All right. I'm going to go ahead and get off. It's 10:10. I'm going to shoot over to the dentist, get that taken care of. And then I have two student sessions this afternoon. I have 2 student sessions tomorrow. Busy, busy, busy. Busy, busy. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for joining. I appreciate you guys. And I hope to talk to some of you guys soon. And I hope to see you guys on the live tomorrow. I will be live tomorrow. And again, thanks for joining. Thank you so much. And we don't have any live trades right now, so that's fine anyway. Yeah, so Dale, you can do the digital mentorship that is totally separate from the one-on-one sessions, and it's totally separate from the algo. Bye, guys. Scalper just went long. I'm not in a long. I said, wait, I just came. What do you want, MNQ? Or M2K? Look at this. We're coming out of that shop zone. Yep. Yeah, Dale, the videos for the mentorship are totally separate than like your step-by-step video that goes with the algo. When you join the algo service, you are added to Slack and you are sent one video that is a step-by-step how to get set up. That has nothing to do with how to manually trade. The mentorship is teaching you how to manually trade and how to technically read the charts. They're 2 totally separate things. Oh, perfect. MNQ. Nice, Amber. Go ahead and put that in chat. There you go. I see it. Zach said it's going to fill that gap. I'm with him, but you guys, you got to clear this 806, 807. Even like this 812. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye. Yep. Bye, Dale.